Well, hello everybody, this is Dashville. Today, you know what I hate the most? I hate something. And that is surgery. Why? Many people are dying because of the surgery. Pulling out your guts, pulling out your cancer, pulling out everything that has diseases or that is infested with disease. For example, they throw out my intestine, they throw out my heart, they throw out my lungs. What happens if they throw out everything and they don't have any transplant, or the patients die during the surgery? Do you know what the doctor said? I'm sorry. And then the wife cries. You said, hey, you doctors, you said, I'm sorry. But you said, we've done the best that we could. Best? What do you mean best for yourself, huh? The best you said is to kill the patient. Kill the patient. And many people are damn dying because of surgery, alright? Transplant, removal, amputations. And it's all your fault. You cut it on, you cut it, and what happens if you cut those? We don't have legs, we don't have hands. People are crying because they had single-handed. Yes, because you amputated them. How they can pee, how they can piss, how they can poop. That's why you ask about it. And people are dying because they have a heart disease. Yes, but there are so many treatments. Yeah, so many treatments. What happens? Cut off the heart. You intentionally correcting the nerves. Yeah, I know you're correcting the damn nerves, but what happened? You killed them. Because it was incorrect, because it was connected to the other tube, and now what happened? It died. That's where the surgeons were born to kill humans, human patients. Beware, people of surgery, beware it. And what about some people who had cancer, who had a liposuction, who had a skin or plastic surgery? What happened to those? They look more uglier. They can't eat. They have a disorder right now. You know what happened? It got destroyed. What happened? You ruined the flowing hygiene system of that patient. And they come back and come back and come back. And now it's worse, and they died. Because of you, surgeons. Thank you for for stealing the human life. You are executioners. I love the other doctors, but you surgeons are bitches. He said, you cut it off, you cut anything, you cut it off, anything, you make the person look more uglier. And what about the people who died from surgery? Doesn't anything you cost a value of life for you? You can't. Because why? Because you're scared to know the truth. Because you killed them and you had making some damn excuses. For example, for what? For heart transplant? For connecting a wrong artery? You stab it? You killed the child with some kind of dosage? You killed the child by connecting the wrong organs? You raped them? And etc. You've done that. I know you all surgeons that you said you want to commit with your own life, but your life has expiration date. And I will let you answer. how will you save a person again? If you don't save one life, you will never save any. And if your commitment that if you save one life, you never save any, then you kill more people. I would just say this. I hate surgery. Ain't gonna do it once in a while or once of my lifetime.